Guys, we got 2 soap squishies. So, this one's from CardSmart, and this one's from 7-Eleven. And, yeah, but we're gonna, like, open. Yeah, so we're gonna do the CardSmart. CardSmart one first. Okay, ready? 3.
First squish. Is it good? How is it? Would you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
A 5. Here, you feel it.
Let's see. It doesn't really like make a noise. It just kind of like squishes and then there's beads inside.
Okay, I'm hoping that this one's way better.
Alright, let's see.
It's from 7-Eleven. Okay.
Alright, let's see. How is it?
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Everyone quiet?
That one's really good. This one does nothing compared to that one.
Okay. Good.
Ooh. What do you give it on?
Almost fell.
What do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
I think I give it an 11.
This is a 1.
This one's really nice. Like, listen to that. This one?
Wait.
Oh my god.
Go to 7-Eleven.
Yes.
No CardSmart. It's... At 7-Eleven, there was white, blue, and pink. I got the blue. Because it's my favorite color. Okay, but that was our review. Bye-bye.